How to redeem Sweatcoin money to PayPal. First, you have to log into your account. But for this information, you just need to go to your profile and go to help, and from these other common queries you will find the first one, that can I cash out my Sweatcoins to PayPal and my bank account. You can clearly see that at that moment it is not possible to cash out Sweatcoins via PayPal or bank transfer. That means we can't redeem our Sweatcoins to PayPal. So it's now clear, but we have an alternative option to redeem our Sweatcoins. You just need to go to shop and you can redeem your Sweatcoins for these gift cards. You just need enough Sweatcoins to redeem these gift cards from Sweatcoin shop. You just need to swipe the buy button here and you will get transaction details. Then you will get the details about the gift card or the code of this gift card. Then you can purchase anything worth of $15 or worth of the dollar included in the gift card. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.